Yeah. I got drinking living legs in the kitchen whipping magic. I got drinking living legs in the kitchen whipping magic.
What's up, YouTube? So today I will be doing another hair review. I know how much I loved my locks hair review, and this hair review is on a family friend hair, and she's family friendly. And y'all see my sweater? I got this from her son's clothing line. It's called Famous Futures. All the information to all the things that I'll be reviewing today in this video will be down in the description box below. So let's just go ahead and get this started. So I got, for my birthday, because everybody should know my birthday is coming up, I got 3 bundles and a closure. I got them on hand delivered, so they're not like in a box or anything. So I got a 24-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch bundle, and I got a 16-inch closure. So first we're going to review the closure, and this is just before the install review. I will be doing another review video after the hair is installed in my head. And if you are in the, and yes, she does have a website, so you can order this hair online. So this is the closure. It feels so soft. It's so soft, and this closure does come with baby hairs. Look, you guys, does come with baby hairs. It's so soft, and it smells. It doesn't smell like, you know how like some hair smells like factory. Like it smells like, I don't know, it has like a weird smell. This is really nice. No sheddings coming off on my hands, but you know, like, this is straight out the package. Straight out the package. This is how it looks. You know, I'm playing with it and stuff. This is how it looks. And these are all body wave. All of these are body wave. So this is how the closure looks. This is the net, the baby hairs. This is how it looks straight out the package. It smells good. It feels great. It's no tangling or shading right now, which is amazing. It just looks great. And I cannot wait to get this installed. I cannot wait to get this installed. So let me put this back on here. It comes with it comes inside of a hairnet, inside of a plastic wrapping. The closure doesn't have the label on it. The closure doesn't have the label on it, but the bundles do, which I'm going to show you. Okay. So we're going to open this bundle first, because I don't want to mix up them, you know, the sizes. So we gotta do it one by one. We're gonna review, because you know they say the longer the length, the shorter the width, and the shorter the thinner the bundle. So we're going to review this. This is the, ooh, that's bouncy. This is the 24-inch bundle. This is the 24. Look how bouncy it is. It's so bouncy. This is fresh out the pack, and it has a label on it. Her Blissful hair. And her logo is really pretty. It's really nice. And it says, I know a girl that sells good hair. That's like her lingo. This is really nice. This is, like I said, this is the 24-inch body wave, and it looks like it's true to length. Can't wait. The width, it doesn't look that small. It doesn't look that small. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't, you know, because they say like the longer the hair, the smaller the width. I mean, you know, like the, yeah. This looks really nice. It smells really good, just like the closure. And this one does have a package label on it. This is so nice. I like this. I just cannot wait to get it installed, y'all. Like, I was just so neat. I got it yesterday, and I just wanted to share my happiness with you guys. And it's no tangle, no shedding. This is fresh out the pack. And I'm not gonna co-wash this hair. I'm just gonna get it installed with my closure. This is so nice. So yeah, this is a 24-inch bundle. Like I said, all of the social media, the website, and everything will be down in the description box below. This is like, this hair thing. I mean, this hair net is irritating me. But yeah. And then I'm going to show you guys how the 20-inch bundle looks as well. I have 3 bundles plus a closure. I have 20, 22, and 24, and a 16-inch closure. So let's look at that. 20 inch. This is clearly the fullest bundle that I have because it's the shortest one. It's really full. Look how big the bundle width is. It smells really good. And these all are, like I said, these are all buddy waves. Look at this. Yes, this is really nice. I really like this hair. Like, I feel like this is the best hair I done got. Hands down, like just feeling it. And once I install it, then I'm gonna do another review. Like a week after I have it in for a week, I'm gonna give y'all an update on how it's doing. But y'all know I had the hair that I had before. I had locks, hair extensions. Locks is a Chicago-based hair. They do wholesales and stuff. I did them last time, and they were decent. Remember I told you I did the review on when I had it in my head. So remember I told you it was like a lot of shedding and but it was nice hair for the meantime, you know. Like it wasn't like the best hair, but it was nice hair, inexpensive hair for the meantime. This hair feels great. Feels amazing. It bounces really nice. I love the label. Her Blissful hair. I love the label. And when I get it installed, I'm gonna do another review on the how it's going. If it's shedding, if it's, you know what I mean. It's true to length and all that stuff. But then now I'm about to do the 22-inch bundle. This is the 22-inch bundle that I'm taking out now. Like I said, I got this hair yesterday. Well, really, yeah, I got it last night. This is really nice. It's bouncy like the other two bundles. This one is fuller. Well, it's full. Well, all of them are full. I just know that the 20 inches fuller because it's shorter. Like the longer you get your hair, the less it will be full, which is true. But they all seem to be really full bundles. It feels great, smells great, looks great. I'm just patiently waiting on me to install, y'all. And my appointment is not till the 5th. Oh my God, I have so much time. Like right now, today is the 24th, today before Christmas. So I have days before I get my hair done. Like, okay, I just want to go get it done like today. But I have to wait because my birthday is the 9th and I want it to be fresh. My hair to be fresh. But yes, this hair feels so good. I just can't stop playing with it. It feels so amazing. Like, y'all don't understand. If y'all can feel this hair, it feels so amazing. I would recommend this hair to anybody. Like, honestly, just off me taking it out the pack and just feeling it, it's like no tangling, no shedding, like nothing. It just, my fingers are going straight through. All of the bundles seem thick. They all seem like they're true to length. They all seem like they're true to length. And I just cannot wait to get it installed so that I can tell you guys how it felt after the install. So I'm sorry, I could play with this hair all day. I could play with this hair all day. Cause it just feels so amazing. Like it feels so good. Like this is my new hair person. Like she's my hair lady now. I don't care. And she's the lady that I got it from. She sells the hair. She made the website and everything. She also does hair, so she'll be doing my hair on the 5th. But so if you're in the Chicago area and you wanna go get your hair done and all that stuff, come to her. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, since I reviewed the bundles and all that stuff, I'm gonna pull up her website so you guys can see exactly where you could go for the hair. If you're not in the Chicago area, you can also get the hair on her website. See, it popped right up. So let's see. Her Blissful hair, Blissful. Okay, so this is the website. This is when it first pops up, you type in herblissfulhair.myshopify.com. The link will be down in the description box below. So I'm just gonna scroll, and like she has her lingo on it. I know a girl that sells good hair. She has her closures, her frontals, her bundles. She have okay, so it says about us. Her blissful hair is the feeling we all get when we know we're beautiful. Her blissful hair is confident, sexy, inspirational, strong, good energy and passion all in one. Passion plus purpose equals bliss. And they have the store policy and they have customer photos. Let's go down the customer photos. These are customer photos. This is basically the layout of the whole thing. So, this, like I said, this website will be in the link in the description box below. The link to the website. So let's okay. So now let's see if she has some bundle deals. You know how like some places have like, and she does have blonde hair on here too, guys. She has blonde hair. And this is Brazilian. She has Brazilian body wave, Brazilian loose wave, and Brazilian deep wave. Let's look on here. And her Brazilian bundle started $50, $50. And as you know, you go up in inch, it goes up five. It only goes up $5, y'all. So like I'm clicking. I know you can't see, but I'm clicking right now. So starting at 14 inches is $50. At 16 is 55. I went up to 20. It's only 70. Like this is like you look beautiful at a nice price. Like you know, like you have to invest in your bundles, because if you spend like crazy like cheap on hair, 9 times out of 10 the hair is not going to be all that. You know what I mean? Like the hair is not going to, and this is a lace closure. That's why it has the baby hairs. This is a lace closure. And that's why it has the baby hairs. Yeah. She has, and this is a 4x4 closure. So this is nice because you guys can just go straight on her website, order the hair, and I'm sure it's going to come in a little box and all that stuff. I didn't order my hair. I actually got it on hand because we stay, you know, in the same city. And she delivers to you in your city. I think it's like $10 more if she delivers to you. But yeah, so you guys, like I said, it's really nice hair. I recommend it. And when I get it installed, I'm definitely going to do an updated review, and I'm going to let you guys know. But this is the website. The website will be down below in the description box. And this is Famous Future. Y'all check it out, Famous Future. This is the new brand. I will definitely be rocking their stuff. If any further things that they do have going on, I'm definitely going to be doing an updated video on just the clothing brand. But I just wanted to wear it, show you guys. This is a clothing brand based out of Chicago, and it's Famous Future. We want everybody to have a successful, famous future. And yeah, it's just amazing. It's for a great cause. It's for it's supporting a great cause, basically, because we want people to know, like, you don't gotta be out here doing all the wrong stuff. You know what I mean? So like I said, everybody invest in yourself. And all of the social media, the website, everything will be down in the description box below. And you can comment below and tell me what you think, and tell me if you ever shopped with them before. And I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your family members. Support. And yeah, I'm out.
On me, nigga, I'ma run it up.